Morning. I'm just about to kick into exercise, so I just wanted to do another one of the moro reflexes, and this time think about how we can integrate our moro reflex exercise with our now moments and our meditations and our thought processes. So my concept this morning is that I'm going to be talking through the thoughts as I'm doing it. Now, every time we do the moro reflex, just a reminder, this is our frontal cortex. It's problem solving, it's working things out. It's where our pineal, our HPA axis is. So it's helping us to integrate our hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis with all our dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin. Back here is our survival, it's our fear, it's our primitive reptilian lizard brain. So every time we do the moro exercise, we're connecting the two of these. We're creating new little neuronal pathways from the front and rear of the brain. The actual exercise that we did in the womb is being reactivated so that it starts to calm down. So it's an exercise that's fantastic for anxiety, for stress, for gut issues associated with stress, for allergies associated with stress, for autoimmunity associated with stress, that for cancer that's been brought on by stress. What things in our lives have been activated because of stress? This doesn't cure those problems, but it helps to calm the stress so that our brain can start to integrate better under stress so that we can move forward in our now moments with less and less and less stress. Okay, so I'm going to find my little spot here for my cocoon. So right hand on top, right arm on top, and really slowly opening out the arms and the legs. So I'll move a little bit further. Yep, so, okay. I am happy, I am free. I am living calmly and peacefully in my now moment. I am calm. I am free. I am a sovereign being. I choose life. I choose love. I choose happiness. I choose health and well-being. I choose fun and laughter. I am happy being me. I am happy being in my now moment. I live each moment to its fullest potential. I move forward with life, love, liberty, and freedom. I am strong. I am powerful. I choose to be me. I choose to be the best version of me. I choose to be loving. I choose to be kind. I choose me. How'd you go with your tummy? How'd you go with your neck? I could really feel it in the base of my skull towards the end. It's been a while since I did 2 in a row, but that's okay. I need to do them more. We're in this time on the planet of high energy until about, well, I've heard from different light readers, it's somewhere between the 21st and the 27th, and maybe it depends on what frequencies they're paying attention to, but the high frequency on the planet at the moment is allowing us to let go of the past, create our current, and move forward with the future. The more you trust in what you feel in your heart, the more you'll be able to move forward with that sense of congruency and integrity that we want in our lives, helping us to be peaceful and calm and happy and vibrant. What sort of life do you choose? Take care. I'm going to go and exercise. Have a great day.